Hi everyone, welcome to RAP4 TV. Today we're going to talk about the RAP4 Quick Disconnect Sling. The Quick Disconnect Sling can be used with all paintball guns, markers, pistols, rifles, and submachine guns. The Quick Disconnect Sling has a two-ended strap that can be adjusted to fit any user configuration. The Quick Disconnect Sling is hooked to the shoulder ring of the vest. With this type of hook system, users can rapidly disconnect their gear from the harness. The sling gives the user a quick and simple way to deploy their gear and to be ready for action at a split second. The RAP4 Quick Disconnect Sling works with any vest with a shoulder ring. Get an extra sling to make a two-point sling on the other shoulder. This will let you completely take the weight off your hands while you wait for your next battle. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at salesdepartment, that's SALESDEPT, at rap4.com, or visit us on the web at www.rap4.com. Thanks for watching.